It's different thing for the inspiration of this watch. First thing are the Mediterranean style, because I create this piece during the summer break in Italy. And the most important inspiration are the jellyfish, because the jellyfish floating in the sea, like the diamonds floating in this watch.
One of the main challenges has been to put the diamonds in motion, to create emotion. The challenge, you can understand, the diamonds are very heavy. We use 72 stones and make it move in a very, very accurate rhythm. And that was the technical challenge. I hope other people will see the purity that we tried to put in this watch.
Sculpture, one word, it's a sculpture.